Is your productivity stopped because AMD ATI can't find the atiu9pag library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. To start the walkthrough for atiu9pag library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the atiu9pag library, the AMD Radeon DirectX 9 Compatibility library. It provides localized support for specialized DX9 features, like localized page mapping, on modern AMD hardware. Mandatory for legacy localized games to render complex localized textures on current Radeon cards. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This issue is commonly linked to missing graphics runtimes affecting atiu9pag library DLL. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX DLLs, then update your graphics drivers if the file is GPU related. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the atiu9pag library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since the reboot didn't fix the graphics glitch, we need to perform a clean handshake between your driver and the OS, so you should use Display Driver Uninstaller to purge your current GPU software. After the cleanup is finished, download the newest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD to ensure that your DLL file is properly integrated into the graphics stack. Why are we doing this? Well, standard updates often fail to clear deep-level registry conflicts, and this deep clean removes those barriers to allow for a successful file sync. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of atiu9pag library. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If registry clutter or atiu9pag library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for atiu9pag library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.